Sometimes we find it a bit difficult.
It was good to play around with so many robots.
It gave me a chance to collaborate with my friends.
And it required a lot of teamwork.
We did some engineering.
Try and work out which parts would make the car work.
If we had to turn more than 90 degrees, less than 90 degrees, how far we need to make it drive forward.
Yeah, very fun.
This is one thing they don't get the opportunity to do very often.
They are enthused, they're researching from home, they're understanding where careers can go in this.
Every school should sign up to Let's Localise if they can.
Maybe the kids will look through the blocks and go, oh, actually, that makes it way easier.
Today we've got a really important STEM event that involves Year 8 students in teams, and we've got some volunteers from industry coming in as well.
To begin with, we took the volunteers through exactly what we were going to be doing in the session with the students.
We're going to talk about these things, so we'll talk about the different types of robotics around.
Making them comfortable with what the robot was all about, how it worked, so they could then help us and be mentors for the students in their teams. You're always going to be hands, but your role is just to be there to embed yourselves into the team and help them through the process. Thank you very much.
We are here to do a robotics workshop with you. Now, in order to make this a little bit simpler, I will put up on the screen all of the blocks that you need to create this program, but I'm not going to tell you how to put them together. That's going to be the challenge for you guys to do.
So first we had many electrical parts and mechanisms that we had to investigate.
This controls the light.
And then we used those different mechanisms to make an electrical car that would move around with a remote online.
There are lots of skills that you use during this workshop. For example, you faced a problem and you want to solve it.
We had like one robot per each team.
We had to imagine this robot as a vehicle of the future, and we're coding it to do different challenges for us.
We had to make sure that everything was working smoothly, and it required a lot of teamwork.
They were making circuits, they made some electronic cars.
I learned how to code the robot, and that's a new experience for me.
It gave me a chance to collaborate with my friends.
Let's Localise is a beautiful tech for good digital platform with an intent to bring lots of corporates together on the same platform where they can offer their expertise, work experience, knowledge of the technology, environmental topics as well.
To see the children so engaged right from the off with the whole experience, it's been an absolute joy.
Got this other side, okay?
The volunteers who helped us, they were very supportive. They helped us when we were troubled by a few things.
Fan's the right thinking because it rotates, but what about this?
There were some failures, but we learned not to give up, and then in the end we persevered and it worked.
They were so excited, so engaged. One of them was really keen to show me the celebration dance that he got his robot to do at the end of their route.
They had to communicate with the experts or the volunteers to find out what's going wrong. They had to offer their own ideas.
We deal with pupil population that not necessarily come from the most privileged backgrounds. What it allows us to do is get them to start imagining that will lead them to becoming future creators in industry.
I want to be a scientist, so it can help me later on when I get to secondary school.
I can look back on what we've done here to help prepare me for the real world.
We love getting involved in because we know the impact that this can have on the students now and for preparing them for the futures.
Most of the corporates that we work with love the fact that they can come on Let's Localise and are able to reach individuals who actually need help.
It's an experience we as educators cannot provide for these children without the support of the corporate world.
The more we learn, the more we can use in real life. So if we learn this could give us new job opportunities.
I felt quite happy and content because I knew what I've done is helped a lot of people.
The impact it's had on these children has been amazing.
Skills like creativity, problem solving, communication, it's those skills that are going to be vital for them to prepare them for their futures no matter what they go into.
I think it's a fantastic organisation, and I would really encourage all school leaders to have a look at the platform to see what it can do for them.
It's not only about the subjects that we learn in school, it's also about like our daily lives and what we could do to help the environment. And we see how we're much more capable than we think we are.